Hey guys, welcome back to a new week. We are in our next unit, and this week we're going to be talking about stories and reading some things about our five senses. And our question this week is, how do our senses help us learn? So with that being said, we have our five senses. So we have our sight, we can see. We have our smell. We have taste. We can hear, and then we can touch. So those are our five senses. So we're going to be talking about our senses this week and how they can help us learn. Before we get started, we have two vocabulary words that we need to talk about today. The first one is the word senses. Can you say senses? That's what I was just talking about, right? So it says there are five senses, and these are what we just talked about: seeing, hearing, smelling, touching, and tasting. And then if we look at this picture, what senses does it look like the boy is using? So in the sentence, he's definitely going to eat. So that would be, my sense of taste told me the peanut butter is yummy. But he's also using his sense of touch, and he's touching his plate. I bet that plate feels very smooth. He's touching his knife. And it looks like he might have even on his fingers gotten some peanut butter on there. So he's using a couple of his senses. So senses does not have a movement. It's just something that we need to remember what our senses are. But our next word that we have today is explore. Can you say explore? Explore means to carefully look at new information or places. So if you're exploring somewhere, have you ever been there before? Probably not. It's somewhere new that you're going. So when you first came to school, we explored the school. We did a little scavenger hunt and explored, right? So we looked around, we saw what was there, we learned about the place. So explore means you're looking carefully at new information or places. So just like we explored our school, in this picture, it looks like this boy must be exploring his new school. So our movement for explore this week is going to be like this. It's like we're looking around, explore. So show me explore. Good, we're looking around, explore. All right, so those are our two words for today. And then later on this week, we'll learn our other vocabulary words. Nice job.